Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are doing fine. Students, today we are going to study about the chapter 4 Right Attitude. So, in this chapter, you are going to learn about value thought, right thinking, and right attitude. Right thinking in your life, you have to always think about right one. Right thinking means positive thinking, and right attitude. Right attitude means decision making, right decision making. Life skill development. What are the life skill developments? Here, self awareness. What is that self awareness? Self awareness means self awareness is important in each and everyone life. Self awareness is important because when we have a better understanding of ourselves, self awareness is important because when we have a better understanding of ourselves, then decision making. So you have to develop the skills of self awareness, decision making. Decision making, you know what is right and what is wrong. You should know about things. What is right in your life, what is wrong. So this is yourself, you need to take decision making on coping with stress and coping with emotions. What is the golden words in this lesson? What is the golden words? Adopting a right attitude can convert a negative stress into a positive one. Adopting a right attitude. When you are adopt a right attitude, when you are going to follow a right attitude, can convert a negative stress into a positive one. So when you are going to adopt a right attitude, this right attitude can convert whatever negative stress. Whatever negative stress means right negative thinking. Whatever negative thinking, in it convert into positive one. If you are following the right attitude, right thinking, so automatically whatever negative thinking, negative stress, it may be converted into positive one. So our action, our talk, our whatever we are doing, everything, decision making, everything, we need to follow the right thinking and right attitude. Is it clear? That is the golden words. Adopting a right attitude can convert a negative stress into a positive one. Okay. Let us go to the lesson. Students, in this world is full of good is there, bad things is there, then happiness is there, and sadness is there, calmness is there, and anger. So in this world full of, always we want only good things, happiness. Not like that. Good also is there, bad also is there. Happy also is there, sad also. Calm also is there, anger also, isn't it? So, moreover, because of their attitude, people can create heaven or hell for themselves. They make or ruin their lives. Actually, because our attitude only, people create heaven. Even because our attitude, ourselves only, we have to make good also, bad also, even happy. So everything in our hands only. So we have to create ourselves heaven also or hell for themselves. So now the question arises, what all things should we prefer and how should we achieve them? So we should always prefer goodness and happiness, calmness, and even to create heaven for us. So, whatever we have to create, prepare good, bad, everything in our hands one, isn't it? So, we can achieve these things by way of right thinking. So, whatever we need to achieve. We want to achieve the good things one day, happy, calm, okay, everything, okay. So, all these things joined together, we have to create a heaven for us. So we should think and act in a way that keeps us away from evil, sadness, and anger. No one, no one want to evil, then sadness and anger. So according to our thinking, acting, doing in a way, we keep ourselves from evil, bad things, and sad also, and anger also. So when we are doing wrong thing, wrong attitude, wrong negative thinking, it's create lot of problem ourselves from evil. So automatically it keeps away from evil and sadness. Sometimes sadness to become anger when we are getting due to sadness when you are happy, you are become good, then calm also, peaceful also, no tension, no stress, nothing. When become bad thing is coming to you, so automatically sadness will be there, anger will be there, our thing negative thinking, everything it become negative one. So right attitude is directly dependent on your thoughtful decision making. So whatever we are, our thought will be there, according to our action will be there also. So it is highly influenced by your selection as regards what you should do and what you should not do. For example, for happiness, you have to cultivate calmness in your mind. Yes, of course. However, if you always remain angry, you can never become happy. So it all depends on your ability to discriminate between good or bad and your choices regards choosing the right or wrong path. So if you, for example, if you want to happy means we have to calm in mind. First of all, we have to keep our mind silence. Okay, so remains, and if you are remains angry, you cannot never become happy. If we want to become happy, we have to keep our mind calm. Calmness means silence. So it all depends on your ability. Okay, all depends on your ability. Ability means decision making here. Okay, so to discriminate, we are the only one to discriminate between good or bad. Your choice only, you need to choose the right or wrong path. Which one choose, that is one. That is why we have to self develop our skill, self awareness, decision making also, which one right, which one wrong. Okay, you need to go there, choose the right or wrong path. Sometimes one decision makes our ruins a person's life. Sometimes we don't know about lot of people have that problem. We don't know how to take decision making. Okay, so one decision makes our ruins a person's life. Keeping this in mind, you should carefully think and decide about what to do and what not to do. That is why somebody, we know this is right, this is wrong. So everything we have to keep in mind when we should, you should very carefully, you should very carefully think and decide about what to do and what not to do. So never get swayed by your emotions. So control over your emotions by being wise and intelligent. We need to control ourselves. Some people having that habit of emotion. Immediately, whatever you have to tell, then they will start crying. Emotions. So we need to control our emotions, being wise and intelligent. So children, the difference between should and should not is of just three letters only. But the small difference becomes big enough to determine the right direction that your life would take. Actually, only three letters difference only. But this small difference also sometimes it's make a big enough to determine the direction that you live would take. So, as to evaluate yourself, you have to see that picture here. Some of the pictures are given in your book, page number 21. See that first picture, throwing things on the road. If you are walking on the road, so you have to do like this, throwing things on the road. No. If it is, you have to evaluate this one. Tick, right pictures means. Cross means wrong. So stealing things from a store. This is also wrong. Cleaning your room. Then helping people. Fighting with your friend. Playing with your siblings. So one story will be there for right attitude. So read the following story. So Suresh and Vimal, these both are friends. Both were friends. Okay. So these both friends were traveling by bus from Mumbai to Pune. They were sitting comfortably and enjoying the outside scene. So when we are climbing bus or train, wherever, we want to sit near the windows because outside we can see outside scenery very nicely and we can enjoy. So very soon the conductor came to check their tickets. Vimal showed him both the tickets. You know, bus is there means conductor will be there. If train means TTR will be come and check our tickets. So when Vimal was putting back the tickets in his pocket, he saw a rupee 500 note in his pocket. He was amazed because he had only one note of 500, which he gave at the ticket counter. After counting the money, he realized that the man sitting on the ticket counter has probably given him a note of rupees 500 instead of 100 rupees. Actually, Vimal have only 100 rupees in his pocket. He wanted to there he gave the ticket counter. So that by mistake, the ticket counter, those who are sitting in on the ticket counter, he has probably given him a 500 rupees instead of 100 rupees. He told about this to Suresh. Suresh replied, "Don't worry, it has happened by luck. So we will enjoy a movie out of it." But Vimal not convinced. So by mistake, that ticket counter person has to give a 100 rupees instead of extra 400 rupees he gave to Vimal. So he is discussing with this incident to his friend Suresh. Suresh told, "Hey, don't worry, this is luck only. So we will enjoy a movie." But Vimal was not convinced. After thinking for a while, he called the conductor and asked, "By any chance, do you know the person who was sitting at the ticket counter of this bus?" The conductor immediately said, "Yes, yes, I am very good friend to him. His name is Ramesh." So all details he told. So can you please dial a number from your mobile? I want to talk to him urgently. The conductor agreed and dialed the number. Then Vimal took his mobile and said, "Mr. Ramesh, I had bought two tickets and all details he told. I think you return me some more money. I will check it and revert back to you very soon," said Ramesh. Then within 5 minutes, the conductor received Ramesh's call. "Yes, I have short. Short of cash will be, yes, my cash is short by 400 rupees." At this, Vimal said, "Yes, I also think that you gave me 400 more. Instead of 100, you gave 400 more. So should I give the money to the your friend who will give it back to you when he reach Mumbai?" "Yes, please do so. So moreover, I am grateful to you for your honesty. You seem to be very good child," replied Ramesh. So now that ticket counter person name is Ramesh. So he told, "Okay, I am very grateful to you for your honesty. It seems you are a very good child." Here, even Vimal can hide this one to his friends also. Even he can keep himself money, no need to return back, but he is not doing like that because he is the follow the honesty. Okay, it seems he is very good child. After disconnecting the call, Vimal gave 400 rupees to the conductor. Now he was feeling quiet, happy and satisfied because he returned back to that Ramesh money, because in that money he was not convinced. Then Suresh felt a bit embarrassed and realized his attitude was wrong, while Vimal's attitude was right. Actually, Vimal discussed with Suresh about this incident, but Suresh told, "Leave it, we will enjoy that money, enjoy a movie out of it," like that he told. Now he became very embarrassed, means, oh, he patted Vimal's back and said, "I am proud to have a friend like you. Because our money only we have. We don't want to others' money. This is not a good habit to keep ourselves." So children, we see that happiness and satisfaction come from right thinking, which comes from positive attitude. So, remove all negative thoughts from your mind and try to see the ethical and positive aspects of the things. So, in these stories, you have to whatever we need to see that happiness and satisfaction come from the right thing only. So, right attitude brings happiness and creates heaven, while wrong attitudes result in sadness and creates hell for you. Think before you act. So, try to become righteous in your life. Avoid all those things which are wrong. Is it clear, students? So, that's all for today class. I hope you understood today lessons, right attitude and story of the right attitude. Please you have also follow this right attitude. So this right attitude brings happiness and brings the heaven. But keep in mind wrong attitude results in sadness and create hell for you. Whatever you are going to do, before that you have to think before you act. Try to become righteous in life. Avoid all those things which are wrong. That's all for today class. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.